Today in the grain market, soybeans were a little bit easier. The exports slowdown has really stalled the rally somewhat. On top of that, there has been some rain in Brazil. And even though the forecast is a little bit spotty, I think that just is giving the market a little bit of relief. And of course, we've got the holiday tomorrow, just a half day on Friday. So it looks like the traders are kind of like shoring things up a little bit. And so that's why perhaps we have a little bit of slowdown. Overall, though, the market is still very, very strong. Now, corn was lower. I think that futures are consolidating in that channel. Although yesterday it really dropped and then recovered all of its losses almost right at the close. I think that's really showing some strength in the market. Today we weren't quite as lucky, but we're still moving sideways, and we're in that same channel for maybe the past 7 sessions for corn. Also, one thing to think about is that global stocks are still relatively low. So technically speaking, we still have a lot of bullish things to kind of look at. I know that we've been overbought for quite a while and thought that maybe a correction was coming. Certainly is not today, even though we had just the slightest little pullback today. One thing was the big story today was wheat. I think it did fall hard. There is big volatility ahead of the holiday today. And perhaps it seems that this 28-cent range that we had today was really tied to corn and soybeans, because the picture for wheat really isn't much to it. And it's been kind of like on the coattails of corn and soybeans. And when they slowed down, there was really nothing really to hold that wheat up. And we had that really, making a reversal, especially today. The market opened, it traded higher than yesterday's range as well as lower. Normally that's kind of a technical indicator that there's a key reversal here. But the $6 mark was really a big support. I know that we fell through it somewhat today, and the market's really been, pushing its boundaries somewhat. But I expect that the $6 support level will still be like a gravitational pull for wheat, at least for the time being.